Drink out here ducking laws, driving fast, switching lanes, don't get no fuck at all. It told me I won't make it far, but I'm having a ball. I went and spent $500 on 5 pair of drawers. Gucci snakes on me crossing, we crossing at all. I spent $100.
What's up, it's your boy SRT10B back with another video. Right now I'm finna give you guys a POV video. Just to give you guys a few pulls, show you how the car is running. Right now it's a pretty nice day, so I just decided to say screw it and just show you guys how the car moves. Let me make sure. I'm not gonna be doing much talking, but in this video I'm gonna give you guys a few pulls. And yeah, hopefully we can get some traction. We can actually have a little fun. Like I said, don't mind that tire pressure since I'm working on getting that fixed right as we speak. Like, comment, subscribe. 850 horsepower Hellcat 2016. Let me know the kind of videos you guys want to see. I actually got some big races coming up. It's this McLaren I spotted around town. I've been trying to catch him for a little quick second. I've been trying to get some pulls in with him. Like I said, there's not a lot of cars out here. We have to mostly go to Chicago. We are located in Illinois though, so these winters be brutal. I'll go around them. And I'm just gonna wait my turn. So yeah, like I said, typically I know everybody's in the comments is gonna throw hate, but a lot of people say I think sport mode is the best mode because it puts your transmission in sport instead of track. But I like that torquey feeling you get from track mode. Let me know what you guys think. And I feel like my car runs better on track. Just me. But maybe your car runs a certain kind of way in different settings, but I like track. I'll see if we hook up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's a This video I'm not really doing that much talking. I'm just really getting you guys a preview of the car and show you guys how it runs. On this tire setup, like I said, we're not getting full traction. They can run up on something. Get a couple pulls. And I'm always trying to race somebody. Everybody, you know, always ducking smoke. Do I want to do it? Do I want to? We gonna do it. Get that full power out. New Mexico, you guys, so vertical pull. What an 850 horsepower car feels like, you guys. Come on, man. Here's a few more pulls, show you what. Touches 120. I feel like my car is built for them higher end speeds, them top end speeds, I mean. So that's why I gotta get a lower pulley for it next. And then this winter, I think I'm gonna do E85. E85, lower pulley. Like I said, I already have an upper pulley on there. I have a red eye pulley actually. Cold air intake's already on there. I gotta get a retune. I'm gonna get a couple different tunes just to check them out. I just want to find a good tune shop that's for, you know, some good prices that does quality work. Let me know yours' favorite muscle car. What's the fastest you guys been? I'm gonna show you my top speed. No reading the line. Show you my. Don't clown me in the comments. I know it's not the fastest, but hold on. Boom, right there, 165. What you're learning these cars is a straight road isn't as straight as you think it is until you really get in a fast car. Hopefully I can get some races for you guys up in the upcoming videos. That's my thing. I like racing. I'm not gonna lie. We just gotta find the right location in Mexico. So, like I said, 2016 Dodge SRT Hellcat on bags. Was on an airlift system, cold air intake, upper pulley. What else does it have? It has a few more things. I just went blank for a quick second. Yeah. So yeah, that might be it for this video. We got to where we needed to get to. So like I said, I'm gonna give you guys one more pull. So yeah, like I said, that's a wrap for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a POV and just show you how the car is running on a decent day. You know, it's about 70 degrees right now, so you know, obviously the weather has some effect to do with how the car runs. But no excuse, I feel like the car ran pretty decent today. Yeah, so like I said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm gonna give you guys, I'm gonna definitely start doing more POVs. You know, and try to get the gang around. We got a lot more cars in this. We got way more cars in this, actually. We're trying to get some foreigns in the car. I mean, the car group. So like I said, if you guys have any ideas, just drop them down below and let me know what you guys think about this video. What can I do better? Yeah, so like I said, drop a comment, share this video, like this video, tag me in this video, and I will be uploading again. So until next time.
With the car and manual, seen the blue lights in my rear view. Now I need a mechanic going so fast, knocked off my rear view. Not too many role models round for